How to fix Kakao Talk login problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fix Kakao Talk login problem. So let's just dive right into the video. So if you want to fix a Kakao Talk login problem, we can follow up the steps. First thing is checking your internet connection. So make sure you have a proper internet connection into your device. You can head over to your settings and change up your internet connection if you don't have one by going to connections and going to Wi-Fi. After that, also double check that you are entering the correct Kakao Talk username and password. You are using the correct login credentials because that may be the reason why you are having the login problem. Apart from that, a simple restart can also refresh the system, so you can use your power button in order to refresh your device if you're on or Android. Next thing is looking for the update for the application itself. You can use the Play Store app in order to look for the update for Kakao Talk. If you are on Play Store, you can just go ahead and update your app to the latest version if it is not. And also reset your password, so you can use the forgot password because if you suspect your password isn't correct, you can use this method. Otherwise, sometimes an account might be temporarily blocked due to suspicious activity, so check if your account is facing any restrictions by contacting the Kakao support. So for now, these are the methods you can apply if you want to fix the Kakao Talk login problem. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.